Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's great to meet you again. Why am I wearing sunglasses? Because some dumb bitch on Facebook says go to bed because I talk with my eyes closed. Alright, so now you can't see, woman. Why don't you grow up, little girl? Now, I just wrote to a gentleman on YouTube that's very interested in the petition and everything. I have it all. The civil document. It's there. You can't sign it until we get 2 blocks from the White House, and there's going to be people there. Alright? And I have to make sure you have no firearms, no dangerous weapons, and you're in a mannerly form. Okay? It's not like a shakedown. Just empty your pockets and stuff, and wear backpacks. We don't want to get in trouble for littering. I'm paying the $35 license fee to walk 2 blocks. What we need is everybody to put signs on poles. You want your, in a nice manly way. You want freedom back, do you? Put that on the sign. Do you really want your freedom back? We don't need an election. We need a revolution. Please, people, wake up. You can get 200 people on a charter bus. A charter bus is not that much. That equals out to about $5 per person. Alright? This has to go through every state. Every state. You all got to get on your jobs. Alright? We're running out of time. When I see the production of this before I walk it by myself, and probably end up going to jail again for something I believe in, I just want to get America back to the people. Because, see, I'm leaving. I'm going to international waters. You don't get it. I'm selling everything I got, everything I own, and I'm buying me a sailboat. I'm from Florida originally. Believe me, I know how to sail. I know how to navigate. Alright? And yeah, well, there's going to be pirates everywhere, so what? Let me tell you something. Please, just do this to get your country back, and at least I can make my mark to help the man out, the commonwealth man. Not like Barry from Kenya's lied to you. Not like Romney's lying to you. Not like Ron Paul's lying to you. Not like Alex Jones is lying to you. You know, I've seen some pretty crazy videos on there. You know, about the Aryans come down and hopefully saving us, you know, in 2013. What y'all are failing to realize, we're in the middle of an El Nino. And I can't explain it. It's a Spanish term. The plates in the earth are going to shift again. There could be tens of millions of people die before 2013. Bank on it. Bank on it. Little girl, you don't need to see my eyes now and tell me I'm tired. Because when I get seriously speaking, I close my eyes. They're closed now. Alright? Don't you ever give me another remark. Get off my damn Facebook, will you? And get off my blog. I'm going to dump you today because you're a sarcastic little bitch. Alright? Because you don't want freedom. You want to play on Facebook all day and have no life. That's your family. How can you guys say that you got a family on Facebook? I have the videos of where they're profiling you and watching everywhere you go on the net all day long. You've been profiled. They own you. You don't have the equipment to fucking clean your machine properly. And that's the bottom line. You don't. And you think you're so clean, and you're not. And they follow you. It's a company called Futura. It's a multi-billion-dollar corporation. It was on CNN. It was on ESPN. It was on AFSRP. Whatever. It's been out there for fucking 6 months, dingle dicks. You get on Facebook, you better get on there and window wash it, CC cleaner it, go to your internet options, clean up your history and everything. and restart. They're going to follow you everywhere all day long. Don't you understand me now? I mean, you're owned. They own you. Get it together. Do you want to be owned? Don't do nothing. Sit on your fat, lazy asses, because that's what's going to happen. You're going to be sitting in a FEMA camp with the rest of them. Now, I gave you the ideas, the instructions, what to do. All right? That's the bottom line. That's what's got to be done. We need 50 to 80,000 Americans, legal Americans. But no green cards allowed. No green cards. I want a white boy to walk up there and hand that petition. I want my friend at 70 years old to say, here, it's already been notarized. It's already been signed by the banks and everything. It's ready. You give me some backup, I'll take care of it. Just take the 2-block walk. That's all you got to do. Please, pay attention to what I say. You want to fall? Because you're getting ready to take the biggest, hardest fall you ever took in your life. And you got kids? You want to see them kids grow up? Do you? Evidently not, because you ain't sticking your neck out for nothing. So you don't believe in freedom, do you? Do you? Because, that nasty little girl gets some sleep. I talk with my eyes closed, because I have to concentrate on every single word I'm saying. And as everyone knows, I'm half blind, all right? And I can get pissed off and I can get hyper, but you're a stupid little girl, all right? I don't even want you in this mess. You just like to gawk at stuff, all right? But for everyone else that commented on that, I love y'all. We need you. We are one. We're one. And you know what? I'd love to see some people from Europe come over and do the same thing we're doing in Europe. Because the Queen's dead. That bitch dead. Fuck Diana, princess again, Diana, princess Diana. So what? What happened, happened. It was a plot, alright? That's their government. That was a plot they ever deadened, alright? Just like the Kennedys and shit like that. When are you gonna wake up? I told you, Vietnam was conspiracy by China to kill John F. Kennedy to give President Johnson, the vice president, to start Vietnam. And what's Barry from Kenya doing right now? He was profiled from the age of 4 years old by the Rockefellers and the Rothschilds, all right, for this time and date to be in office. They wanted a civil war, the blacks against the whites, and the Hispanics and everything against each other, the white people. They thought this would never happen. Sorry, it's here. But guess what? Since it didn't work, he made up another war in Afghanistan, Iraq, and all over the South. It's a terrible mess. We went over for nuclear weapons. Now we're there for oil. Get realistic, people. They said we'd be in and out of there like Desert Storm in 90 days. Well, it's been 90 God blessed years, you stupid asses. Yeah, I'm a rude, crude son of a bitch when it comes to my freedom. When this is done and dead, I'm going to international waters and I'm gone. You got me? Because you're going to turn the stone staying here. It's you. You understand me? That's what you are. You're a stone. Do something. You talk the talk. You don't walk shit. You ain't never ever met a motherfucker quite like me. And you never will. You either hate me or you like me. Alright? And I ain't no fucking Alex Jones fat ass pussy. Alright? If you're a syndicated TV channel, well, I might give him a look at, but no, it ain't worth it.